So, ma'am, one of question
Okay.
I want to ask you, like,
Mhm.
apart from English speaking skills, are you learning another skill?
Right? No, no. I don't learn another skill.
Like,
Means whatever I am learning, all about English. So yes, whether I read books or listen some podcast or we can say speaking with some like co-partners. So whatever I am doing, all about related to English only. Yes.
okay, okay. And ma'am, do you have any desire to learn another skill?
Yeah, it's like now I don't have another desire to learn. Yes, I want to learn some editing part, right?
Mhm.
Editing because it's really very daunting part while we are working on social media. So I just want to learn those parts, and yes, so that my journey can become easy. Because sometimes we get stuck, right? We don't know how to edit and how to use this application and all. So there's like we should learn this kind of technical things as well. That I want to learn. Yes.
Yes, yes,
What
definitely.
about you?
Yeah, ma'am.
Do
Like,
you want any?
yeah, ma'am, I want
Hmm.
to learn lots of things apart from English. Like, if you want to talk about the editing part, so like related to English content, I know how to editing. But like sometimes I'm watching some of cartoon videos, so that time I try to notice those things, like how they are editing, how they are doing editing part, and I should also know.
Hmm.
So this type of thing it come my mind, and I started saying to my husband, I want to also know this type of thing. Anyone like giving to class offline, so I want to join those classes. But like offline, it is
Hmm.
not possible because like I can't go that much outside. But I was saying like I want to take any online classes. But my husband is saying to me like if you want to try, so you can try from at home also. But like
From?
yeah, from
Hmm.
at home because lots of person are providing
Okay.
online classes also. But
Hmm.
like they are paid classes. So
Hmm.
yeah,
Right.
some of free like apps. So I tried. So I tried also some of cartoon video how to make. I tried before. I used to try.
Okay.
Yeah, some of the
Okay.
stories. I used to use lots of things, whatever they are like available. Some of apps. So through
Hmm.
options. So I
So
tried.
that. Hmm.
And
Wow.
apart from this like technical, apart from I want to learn like dancing part. Like I want to proficient in dancing part. Perfect, I can say.
Okay.
Yeah, I can do. I can
That's
enjoy. But
good.
like sometimes I started feeling curiosity. Sometimes like my goals, I can say different. It goes. Like sometimes I started thinking I should go for singing part. I should playing something. So it's
Hmm.
different.
Yes, actually, we can't say no. We have only one or two hobbies. We have multiple hobbies, right? So that everyone want to like become like no. If yes, actually nowadays what happening? We all are on social media, so there are a lot of influencers on social media. So sometimes we influence after watching their lifestyle, maybe dancing or singing, and they are doing, they are performing very well on social media. So we also like get indulged, or sometimes we feel like we should also learn because nowadays, yes, everything is possible and we can learn without stepping outside, right? So that's good. Whatever have in our life, so we should fulfill our all those desires, right? So that's a good thing, I think.
Yeah.
If you want to learn, yes, so you should learn.
And one of thing we can't go step out from the home because like if you are staying in a village area, so we are not getting opportunity indirectly because something it is near to
Hmm.
us, so we can go for it easy way. But
So nowadays, yes, nowadays we don't need to step out from your home. like sitting at your home, you can learn everything, as you told.
Yeah,
You
we can
also
learn,
know
but
about it.
sometimes we started thinking like any person it should be co-learner. Like sometimes we need to speak English also. So likewise, like we want to find this type of partner. It should be
Hmm.
there. Invite.
Actually, yes, yes.
We
Hmm.
want to create.
Sometimes we, yes, sometimes we feel like there is no physical proximity, right? So we not feel, good. If there is some person, like suppose that if there is offline classes, then we just go and directly ask if you have some problem and if you have some doubt. So directly we can ask, ask to them. So that's also that's very good. But yes, if you don't have that like facility around your like vicinity, so for that we need to join online classes, right? So that's also nowadays they also provide out classes and all those things if you are, but yet yes, at the same time we can't ask. So that is the only problem.
Yeah, ma'am, you are saying correct. Like everything is available on social media, so there is no need to go outside. But if we have lots of friends, they are also learning how to do dance. We can do, but like if we want to perfect with the perfection, so we have to go offline classes is better rather than online. If you are going to physical things, so it would be better offline. Yeah, I tried. Like
Actually, what happened na?
when I
When we are learning, especially hmm, especially if we talk about like dancing, singing, right? These are the hobbies. If you are learning alone, so we don't feel like we are emotionally connected with that person, right? There is no emotional connection, and we yes, that's we are missing,
yeah.
right? If we are getting this
How we
online.
can observe our steps. Like someone is mentor is, and he or she is observing to us like how we are doing dance. So how they will observe it to us in the with the camera. So one of time like
Hmm.
when I was free, so that time like I used to try. I used to call some of person like on. I used to search on Google. After then I started calling to them. Like I want to learn how to do dance. So they used to say me, you have to come
Hmm.
like our institute, and after then you can learn this type of thing. But only I used to think I want to do, but I
Hmm.
didn't get opportunity, so that's why I didn't go.
Okay. Yes, if your vicinity there is a facility or like offline classes, then you can join that class. So that will be yes really good, because so there you will find a lot of friends or teachers. Those are like available there, and you can talk with them. You can dance and everything. You can practice your dancing and also that's
Because for
feels
me,
totally different.
yeah,
Hmm.
because it is the enjoying part.
Because online we can just talk.
Mhm.
Hmm. I was saying online we don't feel emotional connection, right? So that's why I think if there will be offline classes, especially hobbies classes, so that's really we enjoy every moment, every bit of your moment. So that's really great. That gives us lots of pleasure and joy. And at the same time, suppose that if we are not mood in practicing dance and something, so generally we can talk with them. If you have some every days are not same, so sometimes we feel sad, sometimes we feel happy. So if there will be some person then we can talk with them, right? In this way also we like understand to each other, and we share our problems and all those things. But online we can't do, right? This is the problem.
Yeah, ma'am, it's good. You are saying correct. Yeah, because it is.
Okay, so now, hmm, yeah, yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, I was saying you like it is the enjoying part. So if we have friend circle, so there we can enjoy with them. Mhm.
Right, right. Okay, so now we should we wrap this session, or do you have anything to
Yeah,
discuss?
I have question, lots of question, but like I can't ask you because we don't have time.
Okay, okay.
Only we have one
Right,
time. Around we have talked with 40 minutes.
your video will become very long,
Yeah,
right?
no problem, ma'am. So thank you so much, ma'am, for giving your precious time, and I enjoyed your session. Thank you. Have a nice
Likewise, dear. Likewise, dear. I also enjoyed wholeheartedly, and really, you are doing fantastic. And just keep on going, keep learning, keep enjoying. So this is the journey we are learning, and at the same time, we are enjoying our journey, right? So that gives us very good, like sense. So thank you so much for approaching me and inviting me. So just looking forward to our another session. Okay. So thank you so much. Bye. Have a good day.